Have you ever opened your portfolio and immediately wish you hadn't? You know the feeling, red numbers, positions you meant to sell, stocks you believed in, now testing your patience and your confidence. And suddenly, investing doesn't feel strategic anymore. It feels emotional. Hope creeps in, then fear, then frustration, maybe even a little desperation. You tell yourself it'll come back. Or worse, maybe I should just sell everything. But here's the truth. Most investors, they learn the hard way. A broken portfolio doesn't fix itself. It doesn't heal with time. It heals with discipline. Because when losses stack up, emotions take over. And emotions, they can be expensive. That's where smart portfolio management changes everything. No guessing, not hoping for stocks to come back, not chasing the next hot stock, but following a clear, rules-based plan. First, you repair what's broken. Then, you rebalance into strength. And finally, you recover with confidence and control. That's exactly what today is about, because every investor, no matter how experienced, eventually faces a setback, a market correction, a bad entry, holding on to losers too long, or buying great companies at the wrong time. Even good stocks drop. Even smart investors make mistakes. The difference between who struggles and those who succeed long-term, the winners don't panic. They diagnose, they adjust, they manage. They treat their portfolio like a business, not a lottery ticket. Think about it like this. If you had a garden full of dying plants, you wouldn't just stand there. You'd pull the weeds, trim what's weak, replant with something stronger. Your portfolio works the same way. Sometimes you have to weed it, prune it, rebuild it, so healthy positions actually have room to grow. That's the comeback strategy, and that's the mindset behind today's special presentation. Repair, rebalance, recover. Because healing a broken portfolio isn't about finding one miracle stock. It's about asking better questions. Is this truly a quality stock or just hype? Am I paying too much? Is the trend working for me or against me? How much risk am I really taking? And most importantly, when should I act? When you have answers to those questions, something powerful happens. Fear gets replaced with clarity. Guesswork gets replaced with strategy. And losses stop controlling you. You start controlling them. And that's exactly what we teach using discipline, data-driven approach behind VectorVest, combining value, safety, and timing. So you're not just picking stocks. You're managing a portfolio with purpose. So if your account feels stuck, if you've taken some hits lately, or if you simply want a smarter, more constructive way to protect and grow your money, you're in the right place. Join myself, Ryan Shook, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest, as I walk you through step by step on how to repair the damage, rebalance into strength, and recover with confidence. Because a struggling portfolio isn't the end of your investing story. It's the start of your comeback. So now let's jump over to the VectorVest software and get started. Here we are in the VectorVest software, taking a look at an example portfolio. Dr. Leo, our founder, said it best. One of the most powerful first moves you can make as an investor and a new subscriber to the VectorVest ecosystem is to create a watch list of your portfolio. So before we take the steps of tonight's presentation, repair, rebalance, and recover, let's just take a moment and assess the portfolio we're currently looking at. There are currently 8 stocks in this portfolio, and they are listed by our proprietary master indicator, VST. This gives us a sense of overall value, safety, and timing for each one of these positions. Essentially, it combines the columns before it, relative value, which looks at long-term price appreciation potential, relative safety, an indicator of risk, both of these indicators, taking a look at fundamental analysis, while RT relative timing looks at the short-term price trend, a technical indicator. Thus, VST bringing the stronger stocks in our portfolio right to the top of the list. At no surprise, under the recommendation column, we see the buy-rated stocks closer to the top, while the sell and hold recommended stocks dominate the lower half of the list. Now, one thing you obviously want to do is make sure you are diversified in your portfolio. So if I scroll over to the right, we can see we're not too heavily weighted in any certain sector or industry other than having 2 software companies within the same sector and industry, which could potentially be a red flag of being overweighted in these positions. Now, as I scroll back over to the left, I want to take a moment and observe the watch list average down below. From here, I can simply right-click on the data sets below and select View Watchlist Average. Behind the candlesticks, we can see the name of the portfolio, which I just simply named it Broken Portfolio. This is a collective average of all the stocks that are currently being held in the watch list. If I use a horizontal line from 12 months ago, around $142, the portfolio has only appreciated about $6 on average with each of these positions. In addition to that little gain over the last 12 months, look at the pain and volatility you would have felt in the meantime. This is exactly why I wanted to be able to assess a portfolio and teach you how to assess your portfolio before we begin the process. Now, step 1, repair. The first thing we have to do is identify the stocks that are causing us the pain in the first place. And VectorVest makes this very easy. All we have to do is simply click on the RT header, and this will resort our watch list or portfolio by the short-term price trend. And just by noticing over here on the recommendation column, the stocks have been resorted, and we could see a clear pattern. Buy recommended stocks at the top, holds typically in the middle, while sells will typically dominate the lower half of your positions. So the pain is going to start with RT data points less than 1. Just logically thinking, this takes a look at the short-term price trend. So if the trend is in favor of the bears and there's momentum to the downside, that will be revealed with an RT rating less than 1. So starting with DNA all the way to team, if I just hold down the control button, I can highlight these stocks. Once all of the stocks are highlighted, I'll simply right-click, go to View Stock Graph. Here at VectorVest, we favor steady rising stocks, typically moving from the lower left to the upper right. Now, for these positions, we'll examine their price action over the last year. Take a look at their volatility and their overall trend. Just taking a look at DNA, price action is lower than it was 12 months ago, as well very volatile, and sell recommendations appearing more frequently over the last few months. As I scroll down the list, we can see hog, a lot of price momentum to the downside. If I use a date line, the first sell recommendation came into place when the stock closed at $25.36. Currently, the stock lost an additional 20%, coming in around $20 right now. Thus, the pain would be felt holding on in this position over the last few months. As I continue to scroll down through these stocks, here's another one, TRI, Reuters Corp. Again, going from around $220 now to $84. At some point, you'd have to stop the bleeding. This position here just recently hit a new low, coming in around $80. Another position here, Zscaler, trading well above $300. Sell recommendation coming in when the close was at $251. The price pressure still on and now at around $170. In addition, if we take a look at price action, currently trending lower than it was 12 months ago. And there were opportunities to make money with this position, but now it has turned into a loser, and we're still holding on to it, affecting the overall performance of our portfolio. Now, as far as the last position, not much better. This is going to be TEAM, the exact opposite of what we would like to see here at VectorVest. Now, again, remember, we prefer stocks starting in the lower left and moving to the upper right. This position here the exact opposite, starting in the upper left and a nice steady downtrend all the way to the lower right, coming in around $78 at $300 12 months ago. Now that I've shown you the losers of this portfolio, let's go back to our list of positions. Now, for the final act to repair a portfolio, you have to take action. So for this, I'm just going to simply right-click and select Delete Item, hypothetically selling those positions. We have to weed the garden. So in order to rebalance your portfolio, we have to find winning stock and stocks that are going to meet our investment objectives. To do so, I'll simply click on these arrows and we can go to the stock viewer. The stock viewer being an incredible source for locating some of the best stock candidates out there. We can see by the names here, very popular stocks: Micron, Century Aluminum, Fix, Comfort Systems, Anglo Gold, Defense Stock, Innovative Solutions and Support. In addition, miners appearing very frequently in this list. If I scroll over to the right, we can see by our fundamental indicators, RV and RS, very strong ratings across the board. In addition, the price trend of these positions showing a lot of momentum to the upside with very favorable RT ratings. So as an investor, you can cherry pick this list. As of right now, I'm just looking at the top 100, but we're tracking close to 10,000 stocks within the US market. So if I wanted to add some stocks to my portfolio or to the watch list to enhance its overall ratings and performance going forward, this is a great starting point to find those stock candidates. So for example, if I select Micron and hold down the control button on my keyboard, I'll select Fix. We'll do Anglo Gold as well, Modine Manufacturing, in addition, Pan American Silver, and let's do Coherent Corp. Now, once these stocks are highlighted, I'll simply right-click, go to Add to Watch List, select the watch list under the folder that I created, and then select OK. Just by this one simple tactic to rebalance your portfolio by selecting winning stocks, let's first examine the watch list average. We notice quite the jump in both of our fundamental indicators, RV and RS, both favorable. RV coming at 1.53 while RS at 1.28. This would be described as a prudent portfolio. So as a pro tip to make sure your portfolio actually lines up with your investment type, whether it's conservative, prudent, aggressive, or speculative, paying attention to these two data points can give you a sense of your portfolio. For example, if you're more conservative, you want to focus on RS, relative safety. You prefer capital preservation rather than capital appreciation. Prudent investors want the best of both worlds, high reward and low risk. They are interested in outperforming the market over the long term and achieving annual returns greater than the sum of long-term interest rates and inflation. The best way to meet these stringent requirements is to buy undervalued stocks with consistent, predictable earnings. That's exactly why prudent investors prefer RV and RS to be in favorable territory. That way, they're certain of making money and outperforming the market in the long run. A more conservative investor would be more focused RS or relative safety and less focus on RV or relative value, while aggressive investors want high performance, capital appreciation, and willing to take substantial risk to achieve it. You're looking for big gainers and stocks with high upside potential. These stocks are characterized by high RV and low RS. So if you're more aggressive, you might find yourself having an RV rating above 1, while safety with an unfavorable rating below 1. And the last type, speculative investors, are looking for big gains without regard to risk. The fundamentals of value and safety typically mean nothing. So if you find your portfolio with an RV and RS rating below 1 in each category in unfavorable territory, that would be considered a speculative portfolio. So if you identify as maybe more conservative or prudent, and when you put your stocks in RV and RS, that might reveal that your portfolio is not actually lining up with your investment style. Now, within just a matter of about 10 minutes, we were able to assess a portfolio, identify the positions that were causing issues, repair the portfolio, and then next we were able to rebalance that portfolio utilizing some of the top stock candidates from the stock viewer within the VectorVest software. This will give an investor the ability to recover that portfolio and gain confidence going forward in their investment journey. This, I present to you, a portfolio that has been fixed, not by emotions, not by hope, but by a systematic approach. Just alone, you could see the price action, nice lower left to upper right, little volatility in between. Again, my name is Ryan Shook, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest, and I hope you found tonight's video informative and gives you the ability and plan to repair, rebalance, and recover your portfolio.